Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off read receipts on Telegram. Basically, read receipts is last seen and online status. So if they want people to know when you are last online on Telegram and when you are online, so if you want to turn it off, you have to open the Telegram application, then tap on these three bars in the top left corner and go for this settings. In settings, you have to go for this privacy and security, and if you scroll down in the privacy section, you can see the second option, last seen and online. Click on it. By default, it is set to everybody. So with this, everyone or all your friends on Telegram will be able to see your last seen or your online status. In order for you to restrict them from it, you can set this to nobody, the last option. When you set it to nobody, people won't be able to see your last seen and online status, and also you are not going to be able to see people's last seen or online status. But if you subscribe to Telegram Premium, you can still see for other people and they won't be able to see yours. And you can see this option here, hide read time. If you toggle this on, people won't be able to check the time when you read their message. They are not going to know when you read their message. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.